Hello, I'm Scott Matthias with RE/MAX Professionals. I'm so excited today to let you know about my new listing, 26082 Orchard Drive, located in Beacon Point here in the Southlands area. This move-in ready property has 5 bedrooms and 4 baths. 4 of the bedrooms are situated on the upper level, nice spacious bedrooms, including the master bedroom. It has a huge sitting area before you walk into the master suite. Upstairs laundry. Another nice feature about this property is we have a main 4 bedroom off the family room area, 3/4 bath, so perfect for guests or just that parent that might need a main 4 bedroom. You will absolutely love the gourmet kitchen, perfect for that chef that just wants to cook up a great meal for the family. This beautiful property has over 3,300 square feet finished on the main 2 floors. It also has an unfinished basement to finish off just exactly the way you want. The backyard, great patio area, nice flat yard. You know my business, they talk about location. Well, I'll tell you what, this property has it all. As you can see behind me, the house is located right across from this location. We're looking into Aurora Reservoir. How many times in Colorado can you say, I'm gonna walk to the beach? Well, from this location, you could walk to the beach, walk to the reservoir, trails throughout the entire area. Just up the block is the community pool. You can also walk the other way to the west. You walk to Southlands Mall and all the amenities that the mall has. You know, in addition to the walkability of this property, you're minutes from E470 commuting whether to the airport or into town. This property absolutely has it all. I'd love to show it to you, but you better act quick.